rejection of the unbeliever. He has a heart in rebellion against God, a heart that hates holiness, a heart that loves sin. If you are not a Christian, you will have a heart that prefers sin to holiness. If you are not a Christian, you are living in defiance of your Maker. Jesus Christ is the eternal Son of God, the Creator of the world. If you ignore Him, you are ignoring the one who gives you your daily bread. We are all the creatures of God. You did not evolve. You were created. The earth is just a few thousand years old. It's not billions of years old. They invented that to get God out of the picture. But we are all the creatures of God, and therefore answerable to God.